everybody. Welcome to Boom City Breaks on Friday, February the 20th. Yep, on Friday, February the 24th. And tonight we are breaking autographed football jerseys. This here is a 4-box break. It's 2 of the HP NFL Series 7. That's box 53 and 50. Right? That is a 50 and not a 56. I had 2 of our boom boxes, just making sure on the numbers there. So we did random team sales. You can see on the far left, everybody's randomized teams and the customers. We then alphabetized the customers so they could see who they hit a little easier. Gave them a whole bunch of time to trade, and here we go. You all are going to hear it pop of the first box of HP. Wow. Well, that is going to be a Mr. Edgerrin James. Edgerrin James. It's obviously going to be an Indianapolis Colts hit. Who's got the Colts? Who's got the Colts? Big DP. Big DP. All right, let's do our next HP box, folks. Hope for a good hit out of this one. Yeah, we were having a nice solid night. Nothing too spectacular so far, but we've been solid. Let's hope. Wow, guys, looky there, folks. That is a Baltimore hit. And that there is going to be Mr. Ray Lewis. Mr. Ray Lewis. It's just going to be a custom. Just going to be a custom. That is a Baltimore hit. Wow, that is Big DP again. Wow, that's a back-to-backer for Big DP, boys. All right. 1 second, I actually got to grab one more box. Sorry, folks, I only had 3 loaded there. Here we go. Oh, pop of seal of our first boombox. Ooh, well, ain't this a little better something for you fellers? Y'all know who that is? That is going to be Mr. Dez Bryant, folks. Alright, y'all know when I'm taking something out, there's usually a reason, don't you? Boom. There you go, fellas. That there is a Reebok Dez Bryant. Alright, folks. It is a Reebok Dez Bryant. Yes, it is, folks. That is a Reebok Dez Bryant. So that is going to be a Sacks hit. All right, bud. There you go. See, bud, that's why you come to our room. There you go, everybody. That's going to ramp up the third box. Let me get Dez back in his bag, and we'll do box number 4. It's a beautiful jersey, guys. A beautiful, beautiful, beautiful jersey, folks. guys. Here's our last box in our 4-boxer. Let's hope for something along the lines of that Dez or Ray Lewis. Yes, it was, but it was an authentic. It was a Reebok. Yes, it was. Well, there you go, guys. Solid hit. I think y'all are selling these way too cheap and way too early. That is going to be a Todd Gurley, folks. There you go. I just rhymed. I'm a rapper. Alright, guys. That one there is going to go to NW, bud. Yep. And Dubs. That's going to wrap up our 4-boxer, folks. Not too bad. We hit Ray Lewis. We hit an authentic Reebok Dez. We hit Todd Gurley. Not too bad of a 4-boxer, folks. Solid. Maybe not nothing booming at Dez, though, guys. That thing is super, super, super sweet. Wait until he sees that. He's going to love that, man. All right, I'm going to shut off and then get my camera to fix. Thanks a bunch, guys.